Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yours truly here with building the R34, the Fast 4 R34. So basically we wrapped the car, me and my buddy Ed took the weekend off and we did the whole wrapping of the car in like 3 days. Next step, we took the car to Genesis. We got the new wheels on, roll powder coating, make the wheels look super nice and fresh. We put the wheels on the car, adjusted with some spacers, looks insanely nice. After that, we took a brake kit, discs and rotors and calipers from an R33 GTR. We custom adjusted to put it on the R34 GT, so it's slightly bigger brakes. And today we're at Team MPE, my home for any exhaust needs. If you guys remember, they did my Eclipse, my RX-7, my F-150, and guess what? Today it's time for the R34 to get a brand new exhaust. We're doing an HKS custom cutback exhaust, and I can't wait for you guys to hear it. Check it out. Hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe.